This week we look at one of the most enigmatic and surprising characters in the animal kingdom. Mysteries of nature, furry slugs, born entertainers. The story of the furry slug, also known as colloquially a flug, begins on the other side of the world in the wilds of South America. In a land where interesting and diverse creatures roam, including this fairly noisy bird. The furry slug begins life as a furry egg, nestled in between the flowers. It seemed dormant, until one day it will start creating noise and vibrating rapidly. This is a sign that the furry slug is ready to engage out into the world, and maturing by changing colour to a light red, gingery tinge. At this it will unfurl itself and begin the process of life. While studying in the wild, not a lot is known about this mysterious creature. For all of our experts have seemed to capture the furry slug struggling to get through the undergrowth. One of the unique aspects of the furry slug is that it is neither daytime or nocturnal in its activities. In fact, it can be up at any time, day or night, and it seems rather confused, as seen by our motion capture. The main threat to the furry slug in its natural habitat is the once thought to be mythical Yeti. We think this is due to fur envy, which is probably one of the reasons why at some point, we don't know, that the Flug was taken into captivity, ending up on the other side of the world, somewhere on the next page, in the middle of the United Kingdom. Here, in the garden and a Yeti-free environment, the furry slug seems to have flourished, living near compost and sheds. Some farmers and gardeners have seen these furry slugs as a pest, attacking not only their crops, but other things as well. Their voracious appetite where no potted plant can escape. Also, with the abundance of other food sources, like fat balls left out for the birds, the flug has taken the opportune moment. However, they are startled easily. Even the snack left out by our cameraman is not safe.
Hey, Pandy chocolate.
One benefit of this environment is that we can see that from a young age they take up a profession.
Halas poyorik. Knew him slightly well.
Be it acting,
Quilting. You make my heart sing. You make everything.
attempting to sing, or even extreme sports. Furry slugs are one of the only animals with inbuilt common sense, meaning that they can use this to their advantage in dangerous situations, be it crossing the road and looking both ways, or even producing public service announcement videos for the wider community. Furry slugs live a solitary life which sometimes they may not even see another furry slug. We have asked about the mating rituals. No, not even a hint, not even some information. Well, there you go. There are some aspects of this furry slug's life that will remain a mystery forever, or maybe until we can find the sequel. Either way, that is this week's edition of Mysteries of Nature, Furry Slugs, Born Entertainers.